Welcome to this detailed review of the MOOKEENONE 1-pair 3km SC Connector SFP Module, also known as the SFP-BX03-D. This innovative transceiver module is designed primarily for users looking to maintain or upgrade their network infrastructures with cost-effective yet highly adaptable hardware options. Whether you're in charge of a large-scale enterprise network or dealing with smaller office environments, this SFP module offers a robust solution for fiber connectivity. One of the standout features of this transceiver is its versatility in reprogramming. Offered with the ability to be reprogrammed for operation in 100M, it ensures compatibility with older 100M infrastructures while still applying modern connectivity standards. Additionally, the module has been engineered to achieve hardware compatibility with transceivers from other brands, a feature that saves both time and money by eliminating the need for a complete overhaul of existing hardware. With a nominal reach of 3 kilometers, this module is ideal for campus setups where moderate distance fiber connectivity is a must. In terms of technical specifications, the MOOKEENONE SFP module operates at a data rate of 1.25 gigas per second, making it suitable for high-speed data transfers. The dual wavelength configurations of 1310 nm for 1550 nm and 1550 nm for 1310 nm give it an edge in adaptability, catering to specific deployment needs where signal attenuation and modal dispersion are considered. Such features make this transceiver an attractive choice for users who demand stable, long-range performance without compromising on network speed. Real-life user experiences have been largely positive. Users have noted that the ease of reprogramming allows for significant flexibility in adapting to various network environments. However, as with many technological products, there are slight drawbacks. For instance, while compatibility across different brands is a major plus, certain niche network environments might experience initial configuration challenges that require technical expertise. But once these issues are ironed out, users report smooth and reliable operations. When compared with similar products in the market, the MOOKEENONE offers competitive performance at a lower price point. Its ability to be reprogrammed combined with hardware compatibility makes it a more adaptable option than many conventional modules that fix their operations at the factory level. To maximize the benefits of this product, it is advisable to carefully review the reprogramming guidelines provided by the manufacturer and ensure that the network setup is compatible with the operational changes. Overall, the MOOKEENONE SFP module is a great choice for network professionals looking for flexibility and cost-effectiveness. The module's ease of reprogramming, extended reach, and robust performance contribute to its value, making it highly recommended for IT businesses, network managers, and even tech enthusiasts interested in optimizing their fiber networks.